there's a lot of ways we can go about this, right?
So every group or block receives all the pigments.
We could do that, yeah. So it really just depends if you want to do that or if you want to just give them.
Well, wouldn't that be like more inaccurate?
Yeah, because then you're not, they don't get both, right? So it really just depends what you would like to do. And the last one is matched pairs. Matched pairs is almost the same thing, but instead of having groups of a really large size, you end up having groups of two. So you have two similar individuals where they either get the drug or they don't. So your groups are smaller because for a randomized block, you compare group to group. For matched pairs, we compare individual to individual. So that's, again, we really start here with completely randomized, and we get more and more specific as we want. So really what all these things tell us is there's a lot of ways that you can go about collecting either participants or designing an experiment. So what we'll see later on, when we get to our final project, you'll be able to do something like this. But for today, you're going to be given situations to actually try out. So let me go ahead and get some stuff passed out to you. What you'll see here is with your table, we'll start with this first scenario where we have a school district, and we're going to try to find how to go about this process. So I'll give you two papers. What you'll do with your table is you just need to write on one of them. So you just need to write on one of them. So again, all we're doing at this point is saying, should we use a study or an experiment? And then we can work through the process of designing it and trying to do a hypothesis. So you only got to write on one. Yeah, so you can have for each side of the table. Oh. So again, just make sure here, you're just observing. Very quickly. So as you guys get started, just make sure that you try to determine, do we use a study or an experiment? And that's going to tell you which side of the table to use. And then from there, you determine, do you want a mean or proportion? Then you can write hypotheses and so on. You have no data. So all this is telling us is how would you approach the process? So you have an outline, and if you were to actually gather data, we can do that. You have a whole process to go through. So go ahead, work with your table. Once you're ready, we'll add some stuff up here.
Observational study. No, that was what I meant. I'm sorry. No, I think to get like the two like athletes and then you compare them. Like each cluster you like yeah, so a cluster would
different, but
if we're sticking with if we're sticking with the study,
cluster would be like the same in
the brand example or something on this side. So shouldn't we design a study based on what A is?
You said we only need to write on.
We're gonna do a study. Yeah, we can stick with the test that you were saying. It already has tests. We could consider test data. We could say we could take a random sample of the students in that certain math class, take a simple random sample, and we compare their grades to each other. Or we do I mean it's cluster and stratify, but it's in this observational study we're kind of thinking how athletes and non-athletes. So we already have two groups. We could do stratify and like take those individual groups and compare
What's her name?
Thinking of a cluster, you're just taking from both sides a bunch of them, putting them in a cluster. In this case, yeah, I would rather separate them, compare them against the whole.
I messed up a little bit, it's okay. Okay? But you don't have to justify it.
And in this, just trying to compare the athletes and non-athletes.
Alright,
Yeah.
so
Or maybe one. Because in multi-stage you can use sample and stratify.
Observation.
I hated this job.
Because we're not doing treatment, we're just
That's what we're doing, right? We're making these
Right,
like
so right, the hypothesis.
and then is that gonna be
Or this scenario, what do
because it's not
parameters,
specifically what type of
what
athletes?
parameters.
We have two separate groups. Are they similar or are they different?
We should definitely use
Oh, the C
a
minus.
stratified replication.
Why stratified?
Because there's two groups that are homogeneous and they're different. So we just take samples of E.
We did it. Didn't we do? I think we only separated as athletes and then maybe certain athletes.
And you're scaring me.
Alright, so before we finish up here, try to get some things up on the board. So whenever we're ready, just try to get some things up here. Let's at least get A through C, please. At least A through C. How did we do here? Observation one.
We're over here like.
not like you're not gonna make someone like play sports.
And typically we do a thing for
Alright,
That is. But I thought it was like a smart statement. So I'm gonna say that. Oh, I don't want to give credit. It was a good statement.
he is stratified too.
I think most people.
Yeah, that's what I
I
thought.
think that's
Because you want to kind of compare both to each other individually. Okay, got it. Yeah, so but we're only one, right?
No one in this room. No one in this room.
Look, she gave me
On Friday, Thursday, it's already been like, that start fire again.
Another one?
Other ones, I think too. Hopefully come out. It'll look good.
Alright, so we have one last thing we'll do here. Alright, so just to check what we have here either observational or experiments. So we have no treatment. Do we tell people to be athletes or non-athletes?
No.
So this looks good. It's observational, and because it's observational, now we got to consider what type of study we have. And it looks like here we're separating it into two groups: athletes, non-athletes. And this is a characteristic that's different. So one group will be all athletes, one group will be all non-athletes. So we stratify it. It's good. And this is a really good point here. We're going to read this for part D. But it seems like we have A for athletes and for non-athletes. Does order matter here if B is not equal?
No.
And we said not equals because we only care about if it's different. We don't care who has a higher emphasis. And if we say proportions by the difference, what type of test do we use?
The Z test.
So it's a C test. What type of C test? Two prop, if you say two sample, that's okay. Usually for t-test we use two samples. So perfect, we have everything that we need here. Tomorrow we'll continue with what types of conclusions we can actually have. So very well today. Just leave your papers on the table if you want to get them, just in case tomorrow. And we'll have them.